Global Affairs for a conversation about the future of democratic institutions. That's Mark.
National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Will County in northeastern Illinois, northeastern Kankakee County in northeastern Illinois, southwestern Lake County in northwestern Indiana until 10 p.m. At 9:24 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Beecher, or near Pewtown, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs. For your protection, we're going to carry a room on the lowest floor of a building.
The March for Our Lives this past weekend through photos or articles, but for a small group of